ngena khale bangagogothi nokusela nje unaligethi kwa unotsena ugogothi yini dilo tseo o tshwanetse go re go tlogela yona mo nathi video sayithatha
Okay, stop.
Zion Creationist lead Barnabas Cheroile Khanyani posted that video whereby an altercation ensued between leaders of his church, a priest of his church rather, with the police, and he claims that the Zion Christian Church called in the cops on him and his congregations. You guys, now Oshiro Khanyani posted that video whereby the police were fighting with church members, and he says that yesterday Maria and Mamelodi tried to attack us, but they met their match. The creationist members taught them respect. I would say, Maria Landrata, you just can't cope without me, Oshirole Khanyane is saying, you guys. And he also went on to write under the comment section and say this. Now they are troubled. They said whenever we're tired we should open our own churches, but now they are troubled. He said Maria is playing games. Even the police left them because they didn't tell them the truth. Maria saying that Maria has told the police lies. Maria is playing games. Even the police left them because they didn't tell them the truth. Maria ibuditse maphodisa maka. Ge bona le boramarumo ba nyaka go mpona ba ngwale report pele, maybe I will reply. They have no respect. You just can't enter Maria as you please. I'm sitting here cruising nicely, watching Maria fail. Maria ba fetorile di-bloom board or di-blom board ba tlile ka speedinyana sa paraffin. The Zion Christianist Church is shaking Maria to the ground. Ayesaba amakwala. Now you guys, Oshiro did not mention the reason as to why Maria decided to call the cops on him, but he has made those posts and posted that video, guys, alleging that of course those cops were called by the church of the ZCC. Anyways, what do you think? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section, and do make sure that you do subscribe so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you for clicking on this one and watching it. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next one. Bye.